Good morning, guys. How are you? I'm back and I'm better than ever with another video. What's up, guys? If you guys don't know me, my name is Brenda Twin, blogger, singer, songwriter, artist, dancer. Okay, so today's video is a little bit crazy. It's a little crazy. I know you guys know about the hurricane called Milton that's hitting Florida real bad. Milton's gonna make landfall on Wednesday morning at like about 7 a.m.-ish. It's currently Tuesday. It's 1 p.m. on Tuesday. This video, we're gonna do some hurricane prepping. Milton is a Category 5 hurricane. It's hitting all of Florida. I'm not even lying. Like, it's going right through us. I got sandbags. We have to start laying those out. I got duct tape so I can duct tape my windows. I got a whole bunch of water, a lot of non-perishable items. I'm gonna charge all my electronic devices so I don't have to worry about not having charged electronics. Lucky for me, I went and filled my tank on Sunday because I saw the lines yesterday. Guys, I wish I was kidding. That's the line for the gas station. The line for 7-Eleven is going outside of 7-Eleven both ways. There was lines, both entrances, going all the way out of the freaking gas station. It was a 7-Eleven. Are you kidding? I'm just nervous, but I think it's gonna be okay. I 100% know that we're gonna be okay. Tampa had to evacuate. They had to leave. Everyone was like, evacuate, evacuate. There was road signs telling people to evacuate.
All right, again, just another live look at I-4, and you can just see how busy it is, as well as people driving on the shoulder, turning I-4 into essentially what is now a 4-lane road.
They just got hit with a hurricane last week. And now we're gonna get hit with an even bigger hurricane. This went from a tropical storm, a Category 2, and it turned into a Category 5 in 24 hours. Okay, stay tuned. Let's do some hurricane prep. There's literally no bananas, no tomatoes. All the peach trees are gone over there. It's kind of, it's a good thing. Gone. Bread's gone. Everything's gone. So, what I got was, I got some cheese, definitely bread. Of course I got bread. I got these organic, I don't even know, all natural chicken nuggets. So, hash browns, gum. I got this England clam chowder in a can. I got a whole bunch of Spam. My mom wanted me to buy her a lot of beans and corn in a can, so I did that. I bought a whole bunch of corn for my mom because she can literally live off of corn and beans. I got a whole bunch of Olipop's in these new flavors. I've never tried these flavors. It's not sponsored, but these, hands down, very good. Switch soda for these. These are literally so good, and they're good for you. I think they're prebiotic and plant fiber, so it's a lot of natural plants. It's a lot of natural ingredients compared to Coca-Cola or something like that. I got oat milk. I love me some oat milk for my matcha. I got Alani, the peach flavor, because this one's my favorite flavor. It's so good. Strawberry and peach sparkling water. These are really, really good too. I'm already stocked up on water. Me and my mom have been stocked up on water for the past 2 years. Literally, I'll show you in a second, but got some butter. And then I got dog food for my dog. I also got duct tape. I got some duct tape so I can duct tape my windows. Tomorrow, that's tomorrow's goal, is to just duct tape all the windows. Because apparently if you duct tape the windows, and God forbid, but if the window breaks or something, or you know, you never know, things flying around, anything can happen. But if you duct tape it, it will fall in bigger pieces and it wouldn't be a lot of glass shattering. So duct tape your windows. Sazon Goya. What else did I get? I got some flowers. I'm just gonna put everything away now. Right now I'm gonna charge my electronic devices just to be sure. Oh, look at this light. Oh, girl. Just to be sure we're good. Just to be sure that my laptop is fully charged. I know the winds are gonna be strong, so I'm very, very nervous with that. I'm kind of debating. I'm debating whether or not to go out. I kind of want to go out right now. I was supposed to go to freaking Pilates class this morning. I was literally up and everything. I was up before my class and I was just like debating. I was so tired. I was like, I'm tired. I don't want to go. And I flipped a coin. I was like, heads I go, tails I don't. I flipped heads and I still went back to sleep. So this is like a discipline issue here. I have some disciplinary issues with myself, my personal self. Okay, I just plugged in my laptop. Now I'm gonna plug in my camera just to make sure I have batteries. I know it looks like a mess over here, but Apple Watch is charged. My camera batteries are charging. I bought roses yesterday, and I also have a new bag. This is a cute bag. It's Steve Madden. Good morning. So pretty much I didn't do anything yesterday, which I should have. And it's now the next day and it's raining pretty hard. So now I have to go do all the preparations I was supposed to do yesterday and do it right now in the rain. For my fellow Floridians, do what you gotta do the day before, because bruh. I have to pretty much remove everything from my backyard, bring my trash cans in, and tape the windows. But taping the windows I could do a little bit later, but I'm just really tired, you know. Right off the bat, it's already raining a lot harder than it was for Hurricane Helene. You can already see it's been raining for a while. We gotta bring one of these sandbags inside, or one of these soils inside to block the shed. So we're gonna leave this here for now, and then we're gonna bring in the trash cans. Check, check. outside. I'm gonna move everything inside. I just put the sandbag on the door because the door's broken. When I tell you my mom does not play about water, she do not play. Let me show you. Let me show you what else she got going on. She's stocked up on bottles. This has been like this for the whole year. She's always had it fully stocked. This is an Asian mother for you. What is up? Oh my God, it looks like I don't have pants on. Okay. What's up, guys? Okay, so pretty much right now I'm just having to tape the door frame. Not frame, but the window. I'm doing this one. I'm gonna do an X. Do an X and then a bottom X too. So I'm using this tape. It's painter's tape, Scotch tape, I believe. And then I'm gonna go in with duct tape on the top. So yeah. My mom already started and I told her, no, I'm filming a video. So she stopped. Oh my God. Uh-oh. My sister's texting me and she's saying that in her area that she lives in, there's a tornado warning. Like, honestly, I'm not even surprised anymore because Florida just loves having natural disasters. Bro, duct tape smells so freaking bad. Duct tape kind of smells like a Sharpie. Bro. So pretty much this is about the last thing I'm gonna do before the hurricane starts. I'm just gonna put X's on the windows. That looks kind of cool. It's so weird because everyone that lives on my street is doing nothing. I'm like, bro, there's no tape, there's no wood up, there's literally nothing. The only people that have something up is behind my house and they have shutters that were already there before they moved in. So they use their shutters and we're taping our windows and I don't see anybody else doing anything. No sandbags, no freaking tape, no nothing, bro. So I don't know. I don't think they believe that it's gonna hit us that hard. So that's on them. I used to work in AV and we would have to tape over cables and stuff. So I'm kind of shocked that my tape lines look pretty bad. This one isn't that bad. This one looking real good. And this one is like, but who cares? I'm surviving. Okay, now I have it to the bottom. Alright guys, I'm about to go to work at 3. It's 2:43 and I have to go to work soon. I'm kind of sad because I don't want to work today. I kind of like fingers crossed hope that like the Wi-Fi cuts out tomorrow and I got no internet so I don't have to work. But at least I'm getting paid. Okay, let's do it down to up. Okay, all done. The hurricane Tonight meaning tonight. Tonight meaning 8 p.m. We literally have a curfew in my area. No one can be out past 8 p.m. because that's when it's gonna start raining harder and that's when the hurricane starts. So, I'm not going anywhere. I'm staying home all day, and my mom told me I have to sleep downstairs tonight because just in case the wind is too hard and God forbid anything happens upstairs, but things start flying away. Yeah, pretty much. That's it, guys. Catch you later. Oh my God, it's starting. Why am I excited? Oh my God, look at the sky. The wind is actually pretty hefty. Ignore my little yellow star. It looks kind of dusty. Well, guys, it's starting. I'm nervous as heck, but I love nature. But the sky is moving really, really fast. Especially over there. Clouds are moving fast, and they're moving in like, it's so bizarre. I haven't seen this in a while. So my Wi-Fi just cut out. I look crazy, but the wind is going crazy out there, and I'm very, very scared. This is not good, guys. It's actually a very fast 100%. I was outside and it got a little bit too dangerous. But it's honestly just mostly a lot of wind, not an absurd amount of rain. But the winds are crazy. Wow. You guys saw the Hurricane Helene? This is nothing compared to Helene hitting Orlando. Alright guys, here's an update. I lost power completely. No power. It's been flickering on and off, but I'm still working. I work till 12 a.m. I have 6 more minutes of work left, but I can't even finish my 6 minutes because I lost power. And I have no Wi-Fi, so. I was literally like, fingers crossed I have enough time to blow up the air mattress so I can sleep downstairs. But now I don't have any power to blow up the air mattress. So I'm sleeping on a mat. Guys, I don't know if you guys can see it. The street lights off. Literally gone. Everything is shut off. You can't see anyone or anything. The power has been shut off completely. Look. Nothing. I'm turning on my handy dandy candle. I haven't had a power outage like this in years. I'm gonna put my phone on a low power mode, and my camera's literally dying because I forgot to charge it. Low power mode, well that's do not disturb. Low power mode, and I might just shut it off completely, to be honest. Dude, it's literally so dark outside. I'm very, very nervous. I'm gonna just go to sleep, honestly. And then just wait for everything to die down tomorrow and hope that my power comes back on tomorrow, because if not, there's no way I can work tomorrow. There's no actual way I can work tomorrow if I don't have Wi-Fi or electricity to power my devices. You know what I'm saying? I forgot to show you guys that me and my mom, we went ahead and we filled our bathtubs with water just in case our water cuts out and we have to like shower or something. So we filled our bathtubs. This is hers. And then, ew, I stepped in water. What the heck? What the heck? Just making sure. Oh my god. Yo, you and me both just discovered that it's raining in here now. So we gotta put a towel here. There's water. Oh my god, what about the other one? Okay, good thing it's not here, but it might be, so I'm gonna get a towel and put it at the window so my mom doesn't freak out. Let me get a towel. I got a towel to block my mom's windowsill because water's getting in. We don't need that. I'm really glad I caught that. So I'm gonna put this right here. It's gonna be there all night. So, yeah. Alright, I'm about to go to sleep for real. And my camera's about to die. My dog is confused. My dog was like crying when the power went out. So I had to put some type of cushion under me while I'm sleeping. I can't just sleep on the freaking ground. I knew it. Something inside of me was like, girl, blow up that air mattress before you freaking go back to work. And the power cut out. Okay, guys, I know I look crazy, but my freaking camera's dying. Alright, guys, I love you so much. Bye. Good mythical morning, guys. Our power's still out. Our refrigerator is off. And we have a cooler. That's our refrigerator right now. My job wanted me to come into work today, like actually go there physically, and I was like, that's kind of dangerous. So I declined, unfortunately. Right now I'm eating a banh mi. My mom got me a banh mi. Bless my mother. And it comes with like a sauce and like the veggies. Bro, I have gloves and I didn't even wear them. I'm just making my sandwich right now. This is what it's looking like. Got the filling inside. This is a Vietnamese sandwich called banh mi. I'm excited to eat. I'm so hungry. Cheers. This is good.
Xong rồi hả?
Hungry.
Nói chuyện xong rồi hả?
Yeah.
Công này không nói gì nè. Công.
So the power line literally on the floor. It's drooping. Like if I were to pull out, my car might touch it really bad. Don't touch it, you might get electrocuted, but power line swooped to the floor. At least like there's no extreme flooding in my area because we have like super deep dips. But oh my gosh, it's cold. I still have no power.